In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize Airtable forms so they look polished, professional, and perfectly match your brand. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to airtable.com. You'll need to log into your account, so go ahead and click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the base that contains the form you want to work on. Airtable organizes everything into bases, so just open the one where your data and form live. At the top of your base, you'll see several tabs across the top of the interface. Go ahead and click the one labeled Forms. This will bring up a list of all the forms you've created in that base. Click on the specific form you want to customize, and you'll be taken to the Form Editor view. Now look over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where all the customization options live. Under the Appearance section, you'll find a few toggles that let you control the look and feel of your form. The first toggle is for showing Airtable branding. If you leave this on, the Airtable logo will appear on your form. If you turn it off, the form becomes cleaner and more unbranded, which is great if you want a completely custom look. Next, you can toggle on a background color. When you activate this, you'll see a color picker appear so you can choose a hue that matches your company's palette. This immediately makes the form feel more cohesive and on brand. The third toggle is for using high contrast borders. Enabling this adds a bit more definition to the form fields, which can improve readability and make the form easier for your respondents to fill out, especially on mobile devices. Scrolling down a bit further in the sidebar, you'll find the Submission Options section. This is where you can fine-tune what happens after someone clicks Submit. You can edit the button label to say something more personal, like Send or Register Now, instead of the default Submit. You also have the option to redirect users to a URL once they submit the form. This is perfect for sending people to a thank you page, a confirmation page, or even your main website. Finally, you can customize the message that appears right after someone submits. Instead of the standard "Your form has been submitted," you can write a friendly thank you note or any message that fits your workflow. And that's it. You've now fully customized your Airtable form, from the visual appearance all the way to the submission behavior. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.